Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients. Use 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 large onion, 4 cloves garlic, and 2 cups of trimmed herb stems. Rough chop vegetables. Do not peel carrots or onion to preserve color and nutrients. Place the vegetables in a large stock pot and add 10 cups cold water, 2 bay leaves, 1 tsp whole peppercorns, and 1 tsp kosher salt. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat while you prepare tools and strainers for finishing the stock. After adding water, bring the pot to a gentle simmer and then lower heat. Simmer gently for 45 to 60 minutes. Avoid a rolling boil to keep clarity and flavor balance. During the first 10 minutes, skim foam and brown bits with a slotted spoon to remove impurities and bitterness. Keep the pot partially covered to reduce evaporation and preserve aromatics while allowing steam to escape. Taste at 45 minutes and adjust with a pinch more salt or a splash of vinegar if brightness is needed. When the stock tastes balanced, remove from heat and strain stock through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth into a clean heatproof container. Discard solids or compost them. Cool the strained stock to room temperature, then refrigerate for up to 5 days or freeze in 2-cup portions for about 3 months. Label with date. Use the vegetable stock as a base for soups, risottos, sauces, or to deglaze pans for richer flavor. Thaw frozen portions overnight in the refrigerator before reheating gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.